Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in the last couple of videos, what we've been learning is to develop a mini banking application using Spring Boot. And so far, I hope the course has been interesting to watch and follow through. So the application from the beginning was supposed to be a microservice application. However, what we have done so far is a monolithic application. So which means that everything is in one application. The application has one base, one startup. To start up the application, every other component, every other part are up. But in order for us to achieve something called loose coupling, and even more fine-grained workflow, we would like to make it a microservice application. And what's a microservice application? It's just an application that is service oriented. So it has a service pattern rather than all the components in one part. And by components, I mean you see the controllers, the services, the entities of all the different should I say functionalities now are in one base. So think about it this way. Think about the payment in the current work that we have now, the payment service and the account service. We would typically split that up in a microservice application such that the payment service is on its own and the account service is on its own. So that is what we're going to go ahead to do. So that the first videos, this set of videos is not unnecessarily long and having so many parts like 15, 16, 17, and 18. So I've decided to split this into another series. So in the next couple of series, don't forget to watch out for that. Next few days they're going to be up. We're going to start with the microservice part. So once again, I hope you've enjoyed what you've been learning and going through. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please leave a comment, leave a feedback if it's been helpful, or if you have any questions. So in the meantime, that's all. Bye for now.